A lot of you are wondering, global domains, is it still a thing? Are people still promoting it? Right now, I just ranked up the silver coordinator. I'm still getting started. Two personally referred in your downline. I was a person that mainly used GDI for the benefit. And then what changed my mind is when I learned how to connect it to my high level account, my system. I'm going to show you guys my system really quick. When you type in relaxingmoney.ws, it goes to my actual multiple stream income funnel, just like you'll use the other domain name. So it took me to think like, okay, so now we're in the game. They already have a link tree you can use if you don't want to do a systems. They already have websites. I can't personally show you how to build a website just because it always changes my DNS settings. You see, you need to use the domain for the site builder, but they have a site builder, and it comes with 5 pages, a gigabyte, no stored products, but included with basic plan. And for me, I would use a site builder to build a funnel pretty much. But what's so really key about this, my main usages is the domain service. They also have a professional email section. If you want a professional email, you can use this professional email. A lot of you are here, you're money people. I realize a lot of people aren't benefits people. A lot of people are here because they want to know where's the money at. So I'll come over to some things that I've been working on for a while. I do a lot of presentations around multiple streams of income, making money online, and Global Domains International is my #1 income stream because it works with everybody. So I want to bring to you a presentation that I've done a lot of times. If you're someone who wants to really learn how to market, you found the right person. I do it all. I do video editing, video creation. If you want to learn how to do how-to videos, softwares, AI, I do it all. So when you come in and join something like Global Domains International, you're really going to get a bang for your buck because you're going to get a free course that's a 90-day training of all sorts of trainings. Anything you ask me to learn about, if I know how to do it, I'll put it as a training, mindset, motivation, offer. So I broke everything down to this plan. We have 4 offers now. Global Domains International is the offer #1. And it's only one network marketing company within these offers. Everything else is software based. This example was with 40 people. If you bring 40 people into Global Domains International offer #1, since they pay $100 every 5 members, and you're only paying $11 a month because I make people add that dollar security for protection, that is $800. And if we're doing that on a weekly basis, that's $800, and it's going to pay you $40 a month. You know, in GDI, you get $1 per domain unless you go to premium, but we're just doing the basic membership. Offer #2, my personal care line. If you bring those same 40 people, it goes domain service, and it goes first product. First product. I feel like everyone should have a network marketing company. This is one of the best that I've found. And it's going to pay you another $500 a week. But on the flip side, it's going to pay you $500 a month as well because they do 25% for life on your customer. So right now, it costs you $11 a month to get GDI, and you get a week trial, and it costs you $70 for this specific package. And I have a video explaining literally the whole reasoning behind this package. And you can always buy more products so this price can go up. And then we scroll down to offer 3. Offer 3 is like, what is offer 3? Offer 3 is the system. So if you already got a system, you can skip offer 3 if you want. If you just want to go old school and just put it on a link tree for free, and you don't want a system that follows up with your customer, sells for you, and you want to do all the explaining manually, you can do that. But this offer, #3, is my system. I use Go High Level. And Go High Level is going to take those 40 people that you already made $800 off. You made another $500, and now those same 40 people will pay you $1,500 a month. This is a monthly income. What's so amazing about this is it is $103 a month. There is a surcharge of $15, and that covers like sending your emails and text messages and everything out. But I'm putting you on a 30-day trial. Usually it's 2 weeks. I said, hey, I'm going to give my people a 30-day free trial. All they're going to have to do is pay that $15 so their emails go out because they go off of usage. They don't pay you first. You don't have to pay a certain amount for subscribers. You only pay that base rate to use all the tools. I mean, autoresponder, funnel maker, website maker, chatbot, payment collections, course creator. I mean, the list goes on in there. One of the best sales systems that I've seen in the last 8 years. So after that month, if all those 40 members upgrade after the free trial, you're going to earn $1,500, and that's going to be a month. And everyone's going to have this system wrapped around their livelihood, because they're going to have all these products loaded in their account. So they're not going to want to quit. Mostly, some people quit. But like I said, that's that. And then if we get to offer 4, and like I said, there'll probably be an offer 5 soon. But if we get to offer 4, this is optional as well. Offer 4 is literally it's a $10 app. It's called the Let's Go app, and I'll actually pull it up real quick, and I'll show you what I use it for. So it's going to track all your progress. It's more spiritual. It's more organization, notes, jotting things down. But the main thing I use it for is this task manager. You can do this on your own, but for me, it just gets overwhelming having all these notes and all this stuff and all these other apps. I like this one the best. Plus, it pays me. So I do it. I write my schedule down, and it could be every 7-day schedule, every other day. And then I have a habit tracker. See, I haven't been that consistent. And this lets me know I need to keep perfecting myself until I'm consistent, and that will make me more money. So if we come back down here, that's this last app, $10 a month. It's going to pay you $320 a week. This company pays on time. One of the most legit companies in the last 5 years. They pay amazingly on time. And that's going to give you $320 a month because they pay 80% commission. So if you break this down, if you don't get the system, that's going to be a $1,600 income if you do that every single week. If you get the system and get all the products, it's going to be $3,000 a week, and that's going to be $12,000 a month if you do this every single week. So if you bring in those 40 people every single week, it's going to break down to it's going to break down to, I think, a couple hundred people actually. That'd be $12,000 a month. So, I mean, the proof's in the pudding. If you split that and we go to $5,000 a month, that will help a lot of people too. And like I said, and I didn't mention actually, you're like, dang, how much is this going to cost me? I like numbers. Running all these streams of income is only going to cost you $209 a month. A lot of you that are in the game are spending way more than that a month. I might cut your costs down a lot if you just focus on what I'm showing you right now. And like I said, I'll be adding a supplement line. I already have it. I'll be adding a supplement line to the streams of income, because that's what a lot of people are into too. And I have one of the most quality companies of them all. It's not, they pay very great, but the products are very good, super natural products. If we come over here to one of the products that I was just doing a video on, look how good these products are. This is a hair care product. The prompt is a low acidic, low inflammation lifestyle. Would these products be good for me? And it was only one ingredient, which was a synthetic vitamin, which most stuff has this in it, but it was just saying it was slightly acidic. Not that it was horrible for you. It was just saying it was a little on the acidic side. If you're not on a low acidic lifestyle, this is A+. We have some good things brewing up here. And I want you guys to understand, you don't have to do this multiple stream income funnel. You don't have to do it like this at all. You can just be like, hey, I just want to do the health and wellness company. Hey, I just want to do GDI, etc. I just maxed these all together just so you can improve your money flow with a few people. So when you send these 40 people through this funnel, you can make the most money just with those 40 people, So when you go next week and try to do these numbers again, because in most of these companies, you have to do a lot of numbers to make a lot of money. So if you pair these things that work together, you can kind of double that money with those same amount of people, So this is what we're doing with Global Domains International. Like I said, they still have that bonus that's very king. Every 5 members pays you $100. That's where the most money is at in GDI as a basic member. And you could really make a lot of money. And hopefully you like this new ecosystem. If you want to know more information, if you're seeing this on social media, just comment how in the comment section. I'll send you the link to get all this going up. You can get your trial for offer 1, trial for offer number 3, and I already have a few boot camps uploaded to show you how to get all this organized and launched. Uploading weekly content on there for these next 3 months. And if you just want to be a mentor and you just want to learn kind of how to implement what we're showing into your current system. On the website, we have a section where you can just get the mentorship for a one-time price of $50 as of right now. It's going to go up because it's too much education that I'm giving to you guys. So if you want to learn how to really explode online, make sure you head over to the website.